Welcome to a quick demo of the Avail FastBridge. It simply offers an easy way to move your crypto assets across multiple chains in one transaction. No network switching and no worrying about gas tokens on new chains. Let's try it out. The Avail FastBridge comes in two modes, the exact in option and the exact out option. Let's check out both of them. The exact in feature is where you, as a user, need to input the source assets, and it provides a quote for the desired output asset. Let's say I want to bridge $100 from Polygon to Arbitrum. I see a quote, I go to review. I quickly verify the details, and when I'm ready, I hit swap. So in just a few seconds, you should see the bridge go through, but that said, this is a typical experience with all the bridges out there. Now, let's say you want to have more than one asset to be bridged, so you don't need to follow the same steps multiple times. You can simply add different assets and bridge them all at once. Let's say I want move 50 USDC from Polygon and 50 USDC from Arbitrum. I select my destination token as USDC on Optimism. I quickly review the quote once again and I am ready to swap. Since we have two source assets, I will have to approve two transactions in my wallet. In a few seconds, both my bridging transactions will be completed in a single flow. Similarly, you can add multiple sources and bridge them all at once. Now, let's explore the exact outflow. In this flow, you simply need to enter the expected output. Let's say 200 USDC on base, and the protocol provides the best suited quote for you. If you are not happy, you can modify the sources too before proceeding to approvals. Again, since we have multiple sources, I have to approve them in my wallet, but that's about it. In a few seconds, you will have your funds on base. So that's how simple it is to use the Avail FastBridge. Do check it out.